Yes guys, so a little vlog that I'm putting together today. Karen on the train. This was filmed a while ago, but Karen on the train nonetheless. Was trying to have a go at a possible younger person. So I decided to film it for safety purposes. Obviously the young person wasn't in the footage, it was mainly the Karen and what was said situation, because she kept on tripping over her own words, the Karen did. She kept on saying this and then changing the story, so I thought I'd film it, and I would have happily given it over to the young person if needed it. So enjoy that footage. Just before we get into the mad Karen on the train, does anybody want any free money? Of course, everybody wants free money. Everybody. There's a link in the description right now to MONZO. Sign up to MONZO and spend minimalistic on your card. You're going to spend anyway, so why not spend your own money using MONZO and literally earn yourself a £5? Why not? Who wouldn't want that? Click the link in the description now, set up MONZO, spend something at the shop that you would have spent anyway, and receive a free £5 on that card. Who doesn't like free money? Go for it.
Get a safeguarding call. What's the problem? How? Because I'm happy that a minor is out this late at night, travelling this far. It's not a problem. I'll phone police and they'll give it a safeguarding issue.
What, past 8?
Yeah. This far, this journey in the dark, it's a safeguarding issue. I'll phone the police and they can meet you. It's not a problem.
You can knock yourself out, my guy.
I will.
You're just wasting police time. You're literally wasting police
If
time.
I think it's a safeguarding issue...
How is it? I'm looking after myself. Like, you're not my parent, so you have no legal right.
Unfortunately, while you're on this train, I have every legal right.
You're the one
Can you start recording that as a selfie, please, as well?
I'm not.
You're not. Please, in front of me.
I'm not.
I'm going to go away now, but if you wish, I can rate it as a safeguarding issue. If you could delete this video...
No, I will not. I will not delete anything.
You can't do
I will not delete anything.
I'm sorry,
That is against the law. Not even the police can delete video. Not even the police can delete video. Would you like me to show you? Would you like me to show you an arrest from Liverpool where the police can't even delete my footage?
But you don't have to.
No, you're arguing with a minor. You're arguing with a minor, so I was recording it for her safety because you was raising your voice.
Fucking hell, mate. I'm gonna charge her for a new fucking top as well, mate.
It's not like I was in a face recording it. I was literally recording for her safety.
Yeah, I know.
Do you know what I mean? She's
like,
raising her fucking voice to a minor like that.
Yeah.
This was just a flight that we took from a police station that we found. That's a neighbourhood police station. So we just took the drone over, just for shits and giggles, basically. Here's the footage. Man.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Yeah, man. Hello. Oh, dual drone time. Hi Ryan, you alright? We're literally there flying a drone, and then Josh has got his drone somewhere there. Wait, we'll see if we can get it on camera.
That's fucking that. Mate, is that gate gonna close? Mate, that's closed, okay.
Oh, I can see Josh's drone right there. Look. Look.
Drone wars.
No, I'm not doing drone wars again. Not today.
Have they faced number 2, eh?
I've got 7 of your propellers at mine.
Have they faced number 2? Mate, gate is open again. And it's just left. Yo, Josh, bro.
Don't stand anywhere near it because we'll try and get you done for tampering. The gate, the reason the coppers just stopped there is because the gate reopened. Even though Josh has stood where he stood and I'm stood where I'm stood, the gate is still reopened. Has nothing to do with us. No, it was nothing to do with us, so. Got more coppers driving by. Just drove up there, look. Oh! Mate, expert flight. Woo! Mate, I was inches away from hitting
Landing.
yours. Inches away from hitting yours in the sky. You know, like, these next couple of clips are mad because I worked a couple of night shifts in Grimsby, and when I finally was released and I was heading up towards the train station at like 5 o'clock in the morning, it was like Zombieland. It was absolutely dead. So I recorded a couple of clips that I posted on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you drop me a follow. Ryan_Rampage97 on Instagram. So yeah, I literally posted these couple of clips, and you know what, I'll put them in here as well. We finished work early hours in the mornings. That's the car park, one end of the van. That's the car park. Mad. Grimsby Town Centre at like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Dead. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see any other videos, just click the 2 links here. And any other video ideas, any locations, let me know down in the comments. Thank you.